Hello and welcome to the AQRR Compliance Reporting Login and Account Setup tutorial. This video will demonstrate how to create an AQRR account. From the homepage, select AQRR Compliance Reporting. AQRR will allow users to access the same facilities that they have access to in Slice. AQRR verifies your account username, which is your email address with Slice, to determine what facility or facilities a user has access to and what actions are authorized. Individuals assigned as a responsible official, known as the submitter in Slice, are authorized to upload and submit compliance reports. All other active users in Slice are allowed to upload compliance reports but cannot submit. If you need to create or update Slice authorizations, please visit the e-Air Services page of the Iowa DNR website. AQRR utilizes EPA's Shared Chrome Air Services, EPA SCS, to create and securely issue signing credentials to authorized users. For those who do not have an existing EPA SCS account, click on the Create Account button. Complete all required fields pertaining to username, password, contact information, and security questions. Then select the Create Account button at the bottom of the page. Responsible officials will need to provide the answers to their security questions as part of the identity verification process when submitting compliance reports. The EPA SCS account has now been created, and you will be taken to the AQRR dashboard. AQRR will send an email with the subject line, Iowa DNR AQRR User Verification, containing a link to complete the registration process. The registration process will need to be completed in order to receive notification emails that are sent when a report is uploaded or submitted, and to access the Manage Account functions such as changing your password or updating your security questions. If you need additional information, please see the AQRR External User Guide or email the AQRR Help Desk at aqrr@dnr.iowa.gov.